DNA, nano-oxygenation, produces healthy soils. Nano-oxygenated root bowl irrigation equals oxygen-enriched rhinosphere soils. Healthy rhinosphere soils equal good microorganism health. Nano-oxygenation of the root bowl equals a healthy root system. Healthy roots equals better nutrient absorption. Healthy roots equals best possible tree health. Healthy roots equals bigger, better, sweeter fruit. The DNA subsurface technology is a game changer, minimizing water losses, minimizing energy consumption, and reduces operational costs for farmers. The reduction in water and electricity usage does lead to significant cost savings.